Japan, a nation so hardworking its language has a term for literally working oneself to death, is trying to address a worrisome labor shortage by coaxing more people and companies to adopt 4-day work weeks. The Japanese government first expressed support for a shorter working week in 2021, after lawmakers endorsed the idea. The concept has been slow to catch on, however, about 8% of companies in Japan allow employees to take 3 or more days off per week, while 7% give their workers the legally mandated 1 day off, according to the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. Hoping to produce more takers, especially among small and medium-sized businesses, the government launched a work-style reform campaign that promotes shorter hours and other flexible arrangements along with overtime limits and paid annual leave. The Labor Ministry recently started offering free consulting, grants and a growing library of success stories as further motivation. The government's official backing of a better work-life balance represents a marked change in Japan, a country whose reputed culture of workaholic stoicism often got credited for the national recovery and stellar economic growth after World War II. Conformist pressures to sacrifice for one's company are intense. Citizens typically take vacations at the same time of year as their colleagues, during the Bon holidays in the summer and around New Year's, so co-workers can't accuse them of being neglectful or uncaring. Long hours are the norm. Although 85% of employers report giving their workers 2 days off a week, and there are legal restrictions on overtime hours, which are negotiated with labor unions and detailed in contracts. But some Japanese do service overtime, meaning it's unreported and performed without compensation. A recent government white paper on karoshi, the Japanese term that in English means death from overwork, said Japan has at least 54 such fatalities a year, including from heart attacks.